Mami. Yeah, it's Sunday today. We're here sa sa basement sa church kasi mag-sponsor yung Filipino community for coffee after church. So it's still 9 o'clock, 9:30. So we're here. We're preparing for later after church coffee. Sponsored by the Filipino community here in Nanaimo. Yan, hi Kuya Ton.
Hello, good morning.
Busy sila.
Mommy! Mommy!
Hey guys.
I got one specifically for coffee hours there, so we don't mix up. How much juice are you doing? Two.
Ayan na guys, ano kasi to yung kuan ba mi? Patlak, no? Patlak mi? Yan, patlak guys. Each family can bring their own food donation for the coffee. Ang tawag ano eh. Basta sponsor sa Filipino community. Yan, dyan sila oh. Ay, boss Istoy. Yan sila, busy sila, nag-prepare sila. Mauna sila ikuan, member sa permanent. Hindi tawag sa coffee.
Ako na lang, hospitality group, Filipino community sa church.
Hindi ka nagkaroon ba? Saan na siya coffee? Ikuan later? Sponsored coffee hour, sponsored by Filipino. Okay, yeah. Ayan. Arranging the the food. Yan na siya guys, the food. Biko. Madeline. Kasi nagbuhat. And then coffee there, coffee tea. Yan, tapos na yung mass. Nauna kami. Tapos ni Renessa. Half? That's fine. Yeah. So, nauna kami dito sa baba kasi prepare namin. Ayan. Diba? Yung sa Ate Ivy. Ayan na guys. So, we're waiting for the people, yung mga tao na bababa. It's the kitchen. Diba? Coffee and the tea. Ayan.
Do we need to bring a chocolate like next time? If somebody will try to find the chocolate, water. We just need the powder. So matter of request. Nobody does. Oh, nobody does? Okay.
If you have it, then I'll take it. But if you don't have it, that's okay. It's better because people aren't used to it. When the thing is, when the other things come, like nice.
Me, first sa kape? Mga pita.
Si Mariconi.
Kape ra na iya mi. Kape.
Naman yung ikuan, use na
Dapat katuna lang ko kanang para tayo hugasan. Yan in the house. Say hi kasi.
Already a vlog?
Yeah. Para naman sa attendance sa vlog.
To my vlog. Welcome to your fake vlog.
Ito.
Remembrance na ay.
Makakuhan ka sa ano.
And
Dagan kayo, kulang na lagi ni.
Hi, te. Okay ra natin.
Napabay ibutang di mo.
Wala na. Oh, okay, that's good. Guys, ayan o, nana sila. Busy, nagkitao.
Okay naman, pinagamo.
Ebidensya ni ha? Ebidensya ni. Ada, oh, nanon mo na siya. Ginatabi kayo na pagpila.
Atay, nahaday diha.
Natingala sila. Okay ra natin, tingala sila. Atas kabalo naman, tapal. Di ba?
Sana para natin.
Hello, wala ni kape. Uy, refill. Saan na pag-refill? Jinky. Saan pag-refill? Kape ni? Di, hot water.
Pwede na siya ito, no? Pero bilang na mag-plastic.
No, there's no filter. Ay, success guys. Ayan, daming tao. Successful yung first coffee.
Aga, gibinlan ta jud ka kay.
Uy, naku yung anak. Thank you. Ako yung balay. Kami may ano kang gina? Kami may gabit-bit anak.
A picture na to.
Guys, linis time. Mga dishwasher by hand. Good job, good job. I'm Marian, successful.
Mommy, almost done.
Yeah. You tidy up na dyan. Yan, tapos na. Success, Ivy. Congrats. Successful. Yan. Congrats. Oh, sarado. Close na. Yan. Yung aming first coffee. Ano ba rin? Coffee hour sponsored by the Filipino community. Catholic Filipino community here in Nanaimo. So very successful guys. Ang daming bunga ba? Lahat.
Mommy,
So yun lang yun guys.
Mommy, I wanna go.
Enjoy watching. See you next month again. Yeah, every first, tradition na yan daw, starting today. Every first Sunday of each month. So yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Oh, bye-bye na.
Bye Marimar.
Bye. Yan. Nadia.
Ayan ang tagpahita.